my sweet peaches. So I have some items from the new Fantasy Cosmetica. This is the Cradled and Ice collection. We have these beautiful new brushes, which I love the details on these. Look at the dragons on them. Ooh, look how soft these are. And also there is the palette with the cute mama dragon and then the little baby one that's like dreaming and the eggs. And then look at this color story. I feel very fantasy themed too because look, I'm wearing my last unicorn shirt that Sulky made a couple years ago. Going into layer using the EO2 brush, we're just gonna put this on the outer V of the eye. Now taking the same brush, I'm gonna go into Hideaway and we're gonna place this right above where we put this color. Taking the EO5 brush, we're just going to basically pat where we put all the pigment down, kind of gently blend these all together. Taking the EO5 brush, we're gonna go into Hatchling, and this is gonna go right below the brow bone. Next, we're gonna take the flat EO3 brush and use a concealer to cut out my crease. Let's swatch some of these beautiful shimmers because I cannot decide which one I want to use on my eyes. Going to Frost. This one is Snuggle. And then we have Treasure. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful. Then we have Crystal and Embrace. So we are going to go into Crystal first. So beautiful. Taking the EO6 brush, I'm gonna go back into layer just very gently, and we're gonna tap this on the outer portion of the eye just to kind of connect that shape that we made near the crease, just to give it a bit more dimension. Taking the EO1, this is the small packer brush, we're gonna go into Frost and put this on the inner corner of the eye. And you know what? More is more. Let's put Snuggle right in between where we put Frost and Crystal. Before I do the rest of my face, I should mention they had a cute little card all about the dragons that you see on the packaging, as well as a card all about the different brushes and how to use them, which is super convenient. I want to put on my foundation, blend it out using one of these brushes. So my ever trusty About Face foundation is my favorite foundation release of the year. I'm gonna go into FO3, this really cool curved brush. We're actually gonna blend out the foundation with this one. It said you could use it for that, so let's give it a try. That blended out super quick and there's no streaks on my face whatsoever. Next, let's do some contouring and bronzer. First for the contour, we're going to take the FO1 brush. Using the FO4 brush, we're going to put our powder on. And now taking the FO2, we are going to bronze. Using that same brush, we're going to go in for blush. Now going into the EO4 brush, this is this small kind of fan-shaped one. We're going to use this for our highlighter. Alrighty, so this is the final look. You'll have to let me know your comments down below. Overall, I really like the softness and the performance of these brushes. I think they are really nice, high quality, love the design on them, so I'm excited to use them more. And the eyeshadow palette is just lovely. I've really enjoyed Fantasy Cosmetica's formula before. I think it's very easy to use, but these shimmers, I think they just outdid themselves with it. So I can't wait to play with this more.